This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of heating and HVAC testing equipment, biggest selection and best pricing on the internet, create a free login to see best pricing once logged in. Link in description below. So here I gotta go change out an AC system that's in a it's in like a ranch type of house, and it's all ductboard up there, so it should be interesting. Take the old system out, put a new system in. It was a leaker. I was there last year putting gas in it. They decided to change it out. So, be here for a couple of days. Try to get you some shots when I get there. Alright, you can see standing pressure. I mean, it's not a lot. 60 pounds. She's definitely a leaker. Well, we got it coming in here. We're claiming both lines through the gauges, through the pump, into the tank. Disconnected. I'm going to cut those lines, and I'm going to reuse that line set if I can. I'll tape it up for now so no moisture gets in there. Alright guys, just got the line set taped off for now in case it rains. This thing's ready to go. I'll probably let the truck driver take this to the junkie. We'll see. This is an old temp star. It looks like this is might have been changed back in the day. Anyway, I got these blocks I brought up here so I could take these hangers down and disconnect it and slide it right out here like this. It's not that hot today, thank God. It's only going to be like 60, so it shouldn't be bad. And I get this thing apart, cut these lines here, get the new one up here, and like I said, it's all ductboard. Not going to be an easy one. Out of here, and I got this one up in here. I got the transmission. I had to do is I had to take the whole piece off. I mean, this one's so much bigger. So what I did is I reinforced this with pieces on inside and out, and I put S-lock. I'm just going to kind of show it to you before I do my last piece, but I'm going to pokey down inside there really good, the pokey. And I'll do my last piece, and I'm going to wrap it good. Got a piece of wrap for it after, but what a job. On the back there, what I did is I took a channel rack. I built the channel rack, and I taped the shit out of it. This filter goes right in on the end there. Ductboard. Not that great. I'm going to really pokey inside there good and close it up and then do what I can with it. Not an easy one. I pulled all the stuff out of it to get it up here. A flipping job and a half. Oiling, and the fan took that out to make it easier to move around. I get this all wrapped up, all insulated and all taped up, all ready to go. I gotta cut a 10-inch line in over there because I had to remove that. So I'm gonna cut it in. I'll probably do that next. Probably have to bring some 10-inch flex from home. Gotta extend it over, but it's getting there. Tomorrow, tie this all in, tie in the condensing unit and the wiring. The wiring done. Tomorrow I gotta tie the refrigerant lines in, blow these out, blow these back outside, and the condensates over there, I gotta tie that in over here, and then put an easy trap, plus it's got this float switch. So it ain't bad, I'm coming along. I mean, it's 3 o'clock. I think I did pretty good, considering this was kind of a real pain in the ass over here, this transition. think it's gonna be okay. I gotta get a Panduit strap for that 10-inch. I had to move it over. Well, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna work out okay. Not bad for this neighborhood. I'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow's another day. Did pretty good today. I should finish it tomorrow. Alright guys, I got the refrigerant lines all tied in. I just have to put the covering back on it. But I'm gonna get the nitrogen charge outside, make sure I got no leaks, and I'll stop pulling a vacuum. I gotta finish the drain. We're coming along, and, you know, put the bulb on and stuff, but it's coming along. Alright guys, I got 200 pounds on there. We'll see. We'll see if that holds. Should be fine. We'll give it a little time. Give it a little time, see if it holds, and I'll put my vacuum on it. Came out here, swooped out, put an elbow. I reused the line set that was here. It was soft solder all the way, soft tubing all the way, so it should be fine. I used Stay Bright 8 on all this stuff. Put the filter up top. Should be fine. I'll get my vacuum on it and start pulling a vacuum. Alright, it's holding right there at 200, so I'll dump it and get my my vacuum going on it. In the meantime, I got a lot of stuff to pick up over here, and I gotta do the condensate drain yet. Let that go. It won't take long to pull down. In the meantime, I'll go do the condensate line upstairs. I just picked up the stuff around the yard here. I don't know. About maybe 10 minutes. Don't forget now, I left the Schrader cores in there, so I got them 45 pieces. So if I had them out, you know, pull the cores out, we would pull down faster. But that's fine. I mean, nothing wrong with that. What I'll do is I'll shut these off. I'll open them caps, release the lines. So I got the 2 valves off there. I can release the charge. It's not going to go into the vacuum pump. I'll open both of these valves up. We'll be able to start it up. Check the charge once we run it. Still got to do the condensate line. Check the thermostat. Cap tube system. I mean, the old evaporator. That was an old one, man. That's an old one. Cap tube. I'm just picking up my truck, and I'll run the unit, and it should be good to go. I got the condensate trap, and I got a vent here for it. I put the date on it. It's a 110 volt unit. I wanted to keep the same size because of the return, and this thing was so much bigger. But we ended up doing it. I got 2 float switches on. I got one in the pan and I got one over there. So we'll start it up and we'll check it. Turn the condenser back on. It's a 115. There was a 2-pole in it that was taken out. So this is a spare 115 for the air handler, and this is staying the way it was for the condenser.
Guys, okay, take it easy. Yeah, she likes the old-fashioned.
She likes the old-fashioned, which is fine.
Yeah, we're just like...
It's not that warm out today. We'll put the gauges on it, give it some time, and see what it's doing. Might have to add refrigerant. It's not that warm outside there. You see it? Well, it's got a TXV, so we're gonna check it anyway. Alright guys, you can see it's low on Freon. Subcooling should be around 9. See, that should be at least over 100. We'll give it some gas. Put it in as a liquid, upside down. Give it some Gundy. See, it's not that cold out today, but we're gonna get it done. Put some gas in it. Let's see. It's kind of glary. Putting some gas in it right now. Yeah, my subcooling's right around 11. I'm happy with that. Superheat, suction pressure. I'm gonna call that good right there.